y'all. It's NBA 2K badge, you know what it is. You see by the title. Today we got the CLAMPS Hall of Fame badge. The rules are simple. It's a defensive game this time. So, you get 3 attempts as a defender to accumulate the most time on defense. Whoever does that gets CLAMPS. The offensive player is trying to score as quick as they can to stop your time. I'll shoot for going last.
Would that mean you're on offense first? Well, not anymore.
That means I'm on defense first.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so the rules are, we gotta start from one of the corners. Plant badge, baby. That's what I do.
Are you guys ready?
Let's go, tip 1.
Set, go. Let me know when he scores, because I'm paying attention to both the time. And you guys. Uh-oh. Oh, 32-20.
All right, 2 more attempts.
Ready, go.
Good hand, Sale.
Shell is approaching 50 seconds, guys. I'm sorry, I'm trying to multitask right now. It's hard to like. You're about to reach a minute, Cell. How does it feel to know you have a minute to win it? That makes no sense.
It's just like Tyler scored.
Yeah, it's just like Tyler score. It's literally just like it. For you guys that don't know, Tyler scores on my channel. Shameless plug. But good job, Cell. I'm proud of you. Is it that tiring? He's coming up on 2 minutes. Zay. Okay, 148.35.
1 more tip of that.
Bro, this is literally Tyler score except defense.
It is. I'm clamping right now.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go. He's approaching 2 minutes. Yeah, back him down. Back him down. Come on. Cell's at 2 minutes and 1 second. 2 minutes and 5 now. If he gets 3 minutes, bro. Come on, Zaytoven. Please make something shake. Oh my God. 2 minutes and 33 seconds.
Zay's on defense.
All right, Zay, it's your turn. Even
Trio's on O. All right, you guys, nice little break. Trio's on offense. Zay is on defense. I think Zay spent too much VC on his. He got a new hat. He got a new hat. How much was the hat? 50,000.
Hey.
Oh, the shoe. Them up called a lot.
But I beat y'all all in the Gatorade facility.
The IRS though, aka Connor, said he has to withdraw some VC.
Yeah. Oh, he's negative 15. So you nigga, the IRS finna take your money. All right, let's go. Wait, whenever you start. Yeah, whenever you start. Let's go. Let's hit you and get a buck. Oh, we get a buck.
Okay. What the?
You can't kick it.
I ain't kicking.
I seen your foot, nigga.
Gosh.
24 seconds. He made it. Whenever you ready.
Hey.
Oh
my God.
Cool little tactic by Zay there.
Come on, Trio!
Oh no. He's almost approaching a minute.
Okay. Is this allowed?
Zay, come on, bro. Let me get the rock.
That's what you was doing.
I let you get the rock, nigga. What you mean? Oh no. Oh no.
Come on, Trio.
110. All right, you guys. Last attempt. Trio is at 110, ladies and gentlemen. Whenever you are ready. Let's go. He's methodical with it. 121. Well, we know Zay is not getting the badge. That's a good thing. So I don't need him playing defense. All right, man. I got 2 minutes, 30 seconds to get 3 buckets. All right, ready?
I'm gonna check you. No. Hey. Oh.
Oh, wow, he's still. All right, ready?
Okay.
Hey!
No!
Come on, Drew. You're not getting past me. You're not. Oh! All right. What is that?
She's at 56 seconds, bro.
I need a minute. And...
Yeah.
Last bucket
All right.
for the badge.
Okay. You think you're gonna walk out here with this badge so easily? You're gonna have to give it to your A game, partner. Ah!
Hey, no.
Show me what you got, buddy. Yeah, I'm on it now. I'm on it now. I'm on it now. Right here. Right here. Whack!
Don't come in my frame. Connor, 90 overall. All-Star 2. Hall of Fame Clamps. You're watching episode 7 of the 2K Badge Wars.
Yep.
Episodes 8, Range Extender on Zay's channel. Episode 9,
Teardropper.
Teardropper on Trio's channel. The links will be in the description below. Tune in. National Backyard Association.
When anything happens.
Thank you. We out of here, Connor.
It feels good to know I started in the back seat. You asked me, I thought I'd always be an athlete. Running circles around the game, this attract me. Catch me if you can, my nigga. And I'm still the one that's looking out for fam facts. Mama say I'm crazy, think she finally understand. Got you flight mileage stupid, keep my passport hand. For real, for real. Catch me if you can, my nigga.